sense. You talking about Instacart? No, we're not talking about Instacart. We're talking about Walmart Spark. But the same apply. Instacart, you see a lot more worse offers though if you're not platinum cart or gold cart. I got motherfucking, I got Dookie yellow cart. That's what color my Instacart is. Dookie yellow. That means I get the worst of the worst orders. You like this shirt? I bought it at Walmart. Look, that's the Walmart polo knockoff symbol. That's how you know right there. What time is it? 2:01. I ain't got no drinks in this car either, y'all. What is going on? Let me get caught up on chat. Matthew, what's up? Poppy, what up? Jameson, what's up? Jameson Noble, J Beats, Trill, Mellow Mixed Madness. I motherfucking love it. What's up? Let me go ahead and save a highlight so I can make lots of videos out of this live stream. What's up, Matthew? What's up, Friendly Canadian? Would you pick up a bucket of ice cream for $4 going around the corner? On my scooter, hell yeah. And I leave that big ass tub of ice cream right on the front where all the sunlight gonna hit it. $4 around the corner on the e-scooter, hell yeah. Yep, all day long. I do it 10 times in a row too. Wouldn't think twice about it. God will bless you more. He already have. You know how? Because you made it to this live stream to hang out with us in the parking lot of Buffalo Wild Wings. That's how I know that what you said is true. I appreciate you. J Beats, it takes an hour to get tipped. If past an hour or so, click on the order and message Uber Robot, select and pay issue, and then it will come through. Thank you for that tip. I will definitely do that, J Beats. I appreciate you. Thank you for that awesome email you sent me too with them screenshots. I'm gonna make another video out of that. Never seen a shop more than $20. That means you got illegal immigrants in your market and they taking all the shop and pay orders. You know, we're not gonna get into the specifics of the nationalities, but just know that it's illegal immigrants using fraudulent multiple accounts and they work in teams and they got like a ringleader who teach them how to do it, you know. And that's why you're not getting no shopping orders. I appreciate you for the, you know, I need to go ahead and get this cut up. It ain't looking too good. My lining all fucked up, but we out here. No matter what, we out here. That's all that matters. Let me see. If I was getting some Doordash orders, I bet we'd be having more fun. I got a 9 to 5, just making extra money on the side. Nothing wrong with that. Them 8s is ugly. They just Air Max. They just Air Max. They not 8s. They just Air Max. I like your confidence and your vibe. You know, at a certain point, you gotta just stop giving a fuck, okay? And I have been past that point for a long, long time, even before I started creating content. So what y'all seeing right now is the product of me just stop giving a fuck about what anybody think. Because you know whose opinion makes the most, whose opinion has the most impact on what I think? Mine. Hold on, why is my collar doing that? You see what I'm saying? See how they try to get me? No, keep my shit together. My neckline needs to be on point at all times. Shout out to my baby mama, she knows what's going on. How can I tell if an order is a round robin? If it has a timer. So when you get a Walmart Spark offer and it says ASAP and it just say accept or reject and it has no timer, that's not a round robin. Everybody can see that. But when it says you have a one new offer, when it shows you that one symbol in the notification, it says you have one new Spark offer, that's your specific offer. Okay, and nobody else is seeing that offer until you decline it. But if it has a timer, that means that's your offer. Nobody else can see that. That offer will affect your acceptance rate on Walmart Spark. So your round robin offers, you want to try your best to accept the most of those that you can, because that lets the algorithm know that you out there ready to work. Now, I want to warn you, there's a caveat. Now, if you happen to see a whole bunch of Home Depot orders with a timer and they still real bad upside down miles to money ratio, decline those. We don't take those. If you see a whole bunch of Sam's Club offers, okay, and they have, you know, multiple stops, 3, 4, 5, 6 stops, you know, $20 for 25 miles, you know, I done seen some $28, 39 miles, you know, it's real crazy out here. It gets real bad. If you see orders like that, I need you to do something. I need you to decline those, because those are the types of round robin offers where if you take those, yes, they will raise your acceptance rate, but they're going to lower your earnings and your overall happiness on the app. So decline those. Home Depot, Sam's Club. Now, you will see some that be great, but most of them going to be trash, booty butthole, trash can, asshole. You don't want none of that. No parts of that, okay? You want creams of the crops, okay? Creams, not butthole, okay? So leave those alone. But your round robins that come through as your shopping pays, you want to take them. Your round robin curbside pickups, what the hell is he doing over there? Keep it moving. Don't be looking over this way. You want to take all of those because those raise your acceptance rate. Those let the Walmart Spark algorithm know that you out here ready to work. And I've had a time where I accepted one that was $30 for 3 miles, 30 items. Boom. Very next order was like a $50